Okay, officially made it into Canada. We had 2 go-arounds there. You have to have the application on your phone and fill it out in order to get in. Second time around, they asked a bunch of questions and let me right in. So they actually did search my car, just a general search to make sure I had no firearms or anything. And now I'm at a gas station awaiting Harrison's arrival. Alright, we made our first pit stop here on the side of the highway. Harrison has been getting oil lights about every 400 miles or so. Needless to say, he's going to have to get a lot of oil to finish this trip. There's also a giant helicopter lifting trees out of the woods across the street, so that's kind of insane. Yeah, anyway, he just put the oil in, and we're going to get back on the road here. And good morning. Okay, it's about 9 o'clock in the morning, and Harrison and I just camped out in a Walmart parking lot. So my first time camping out in a Walmart parking lot. No complaints. So this morning we are headed to a car show. I always enjoy going to local car meets. Haven't been to one in Canada yet, so looking forward to that. It's great to just meet people, and yeah, we'll see where it takes us. Just went over to the Yant tent. I don't know if I pronounced that correctly. Just a couple guys, they have some Porsches, really cool. And they have Forza Horizon set up at their tent. And they're doing I guess a competition to see who can do the fastest lap time. So I went over there, and they had a Cayman GT4 around one of the tracks in Forza Horizon. Did a few laps, put down lap time. I was the fastest, but there was only 2 other people on the board so far. So I guess we'll see what the day brings. Alright, Harrison bested me, but then I bested him again with a 52.5. Okay, we are wrapping up here at the DAS car show, and what an awesome event. Came here not really expecting anything, and we actually both walked away with awards. Well, Harrison got an award for Best Late Model Porsche, and I actually won the racing competition and won a martini bag and some glasses and some bowls, which have Martini's logos on them. I think it's pretty funny how I potentially won like the most fragile items to try to transport all the way back to all the way up to Alaska and all the way back to Florida. But hopefully they'll stay intact. And anyway, now we are headed to Banff. So tomorrow morning, I think we're gonna get up early, do some early morning hiking up in the mountains. Really looking forward to that, and off we go. Alright everyone, our drive was a bit longer than expected. Our original ETA was somewhere around 11 o'clock, and it's 2 o'clock in the morning. We're here at the parking lot for Lake Moraine. Coming into the actual parking lot, there was a huge light up sign outside of the multiple mile drive into the park saying that the parking lot was completely full and you had to park elsewhere. And had that been the case, we definitely wouldn't be doing this hike today. However, we got here, we decided to just ignore the sign, drive all the way down the road, and not even half of the spaces are full. So not really sure what the sign's for, other than to tell people to go away. So we're here. We're gonna get about 2 hours of sleep, maybe, and then go hike up the mountain. Good morning, everyone. It is a little past 5 o'clock in the morning. My alarm did not go off. Harrison's alarm obviously did not go off because he did not get up. I told him that I would go on the hike without him if he did not get up, and so that is what we're gonna do. Sorry, Harrison.